What's up, homies, and welcome back to Teach Me Tuesdays. Today we are going to learn how to play Wide Awake by Common Kings. This was requested by GRod2323 on the Discord, so grab ukuleles and let's go jam. Okay, first let's go over the chords. So we have A. Cover the top string here on the 2nd fret, the 3rd string on the 1st fret. Okay, then we got B minor. We're going to bar this 2nd fret here and cover the top string on the 4th fret. We're also going to play D. We're going to cover the top 3 strings here on the 2nd fret. We're going to play D minor, cover the top 2 strings here on the 2nd fret, and then the 2nd string on the 1st fret. And also F sharp minor, which is covering the top string here, 2nd fret, 3rd string 1st fret, 2nd string 2nd fret. Okay, so let's go over the structure for this song. We're gonna have an intro, then we have verse 1, bridge, chorus, verse 2, bridge, chorus, and outro. Hi guys, I just want to give you a quick note about the strumming. I play by ear. I learned and I taught myself how to play by listening to the music on the radio and then emulating it the best way I could. The reason that I put the play along portion of the videos is so that you can watch what my hands are doing and copy it for yourself. There's even a feature on YouTube where you can slow down the video, and I think that could also help, is to watch it in a slower speed and you can see and listen for every time my fingers hit the strings. I apologize that I wasn't properly educated. I apologize that I am not an educator and I cannot properly tell you how to strum. That is why I don't include strumming tutorials, because I technically don't know how to strum. I just hear what I hear and then I emulate it for myself. Again, I apologize. I'm truly sorry. It is what it is. Sorry. So now let's go over how to play different parts of the song. To play the verse, the song is also really slow too, so the verse is going to go A, B minor, D, and then A. Okay, the bridge is, oh, the rice is done. The bridge is D, A, oh sorry, and then A, D, and then D minor. And then the outro is the one that's also played different as well. It's just different chords. So the outro is gonna be B minor, where he goes ooh, F sharp minor, D, A, and then after A, then we're gonna go B minor again, F sharp minor, D, and then D minor, and then A. He kind of repeats the first verse line. So it's gonna A, B minor, D minor, and then A. It's all just simple strums like that too, okay? So let's play it all together so you guys can make sense of what the hell I just freaking said. Okay? Intro. Bridge. Chorus. Cut my nails. Verse 2. Bridge. Chorus. Outro, B minor, F sharp minor, D, A, B minor, F sharp minor, D, D minor, then that repeat. B minor, D minor, and then A. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's tutorial. If you're new here, subscribe. If you liked the video, give it a like. And if you know somebody who wants to learn how to play the song, go ahead and share it with them. If you want to join us on the Discord, the link for that is in the description below. And I'll see you guys next week. Okay then.